Hello my friends, my name is Fabio and today I will teach you how to play the song Sleeping Awake by the band P.O.D. P.O.D is one of my favorite new metal bands, and today I will teach you how to play it using the standard E tuning, alright? The original tuning of the song is in the drop D tuning, but in order to play it without having to mess up with the tuning of your guitar, I kind of rearranged the song in a way that it will be easier for you to learn and play in every instrument without having to mess with your guitar neck or whatever, right? Before I continue, I would like to ask you to click on the like button. This way will help me to keep producing this kind of content for you. If you have any suggestions of other songs that you'd like to see me teaching here, you can leave on the comments down below. So first of all, you have to set the tuning of your acoustic guitar to the standard E tuning. The chords that you use in order to perform the song, I will leave it on the screen for you right now. This is a song that I also play lots of riffs, so at the end of the video I will be teaching how to play it with more details, alright? So let's play together Sleeping Awake by P.O.D.
Reveal to me the mystery. Can you tell me what it means? Explain these motions and metaphors. Unlock the secrets in me. Describe the vision, the meaning is missing. Oh, anybody listen. Define the riddles of my mind. Nothing is really what it seems. Dreaming of Zion awake, sleeping awake, dreaming of Zion awake, can't stop sleeping awake. Can you hear what I hear? Do you feel like I feel? Can't stop sleeping awake. Can you hear what I hear? Do you feel like I feel? Can't stop sleeping. Can you see it? The writing, no, can you tell me what it means? Translate the symbols, enigma. Expressions keep questioning me. The message is switching, the meaning is missing. Oh, anybody listen. Prophecy and servants take the signs. Nothing is really what it seems. Dreaming of Zion awake, sleeping awake, dreaming of Zion awake, can't stop sleeping awake. Can you hear what I hear? Do you feel like I feel? Can't stop sleeping away. Can you hear what I hear? Do you feel like I feel? Can't stop sleeping away. Do you see what I see? Can you hear what I hear? Do you see what I see? Can you hear what I hear? Do you feel like I feel? Can you dream like I dream? Do you see what I see? Can you hear what I hear? Do you feel like I feel? Can you dream like I dream? Can anybody see me? Can anybody hear me? Can anybody feel me? Anybody out there? Dreaming of Zion awake, sleeping awake, dreaming of Zion awake, can't stop sleeping awake. Can you hear what I hear? Do you feel like I feel? Can't stop sleeping away. Can you hear what I hear? Do you feel like I feel? Can't stop sleeping away. Can anybody hear me? Can anybody feel me? Anybody out there?
So my friends, first of all, the main riff you play it this way. I will leave the tabs in the screen in order to help you to play it, alright? How I rearrange the main riff. Now, the bridge, you play it this way. Right? So, then you come back to the main riff, and there is a different riff in the middle of the song that you play it this way. Also, in the middle of the song, there is this riff. Also, there is another riff which is at the end of the song, which is this. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. I am intending to bring other heavy songs and bring it to the acoustic universe and teach it for you as well, right? So thank you very much, and I see you on the next video.